Hi. So this is supposed to be a much longer, more interesting video than the one that I'm about to do. But then I got E. coli infection, poisoning this weekend. So it's not really working out the way I wanted it to. But these plants still need to come out and meet their new home. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do an unboxing of my first ever order from Orange Lake Nursery. So let's get to it. And I'm looking up because I just realized that I gotta move over for you guys to be able to see it up there. Now you see all the crap stuff. Whatever, close enough. All right, let's get to opening my Orange Lake Nursery plant order. And this is the first time I ever ordered from them. It's also the first time that I've ever bought tissue culture. And I'm a little nervous about that, to be completely honest, but we have to try. And thank you, Orange Lake, for giving me a packing list. Sorry, I'm not exasperated by them. I'm exasperated by the horrible bacteria in my intestinal tract. Oh, look, a little cup. And you can see they have them all wrapped in paper, which is very nice. So I guess, what's the best way to do this? I guess let me just take them out one by one. So first we will do this guy. I was kind of violent with that one. All right. I had bought a bunch of plugs and again, one tissue culture. Oh, it's not labeled, so what is this? I think this is one of my alocasias. So I'm gonna say this is my Alocasia dragon scale, I think. I'll double check that, and if that's not right, then I will put it down here. Next, sorry, I'm all over the place. Let's get this tissue culture. And I will do another video when I'm not dying of how to acclimate tissue culture to your house once you get it. But right now you're just gonna have to take my word for it that it's coming. So here is my Monstera Deliciosa Mint tissue culture. And the agar in it looks kind of melty, but that's okay. Just set that here and take some Gatorade. We went to a Mexican restaurant and I had lettuce. Not just lettuce, but I had an order with lettuce and my husband didn't. And guess who got violently ill? The lettuce has betrayed me. But at least I have new plants. Next. Ah, yes. My jewel orchid. Just make sure. And these aren't particularly rare, but I don't have the best of luck with them. I want to do a new terrarium with my jewel orchid, so hopefully it'll work out this time. 56 times the charm. Next. Also, they're just so pretty. I love them. I really hope I'm not chopping any leaves off at the top. That would be problematic. Here we go. Come on out. This is another Alocasia. Maybe this is my dragon scale Alocasia. No, this might be a silver. Based on the backs, I think, yeah, I think this might be my silver dragon Alocasia. Again, I'm gonna have to double check. Next. P.S. Do you like my shirt? It's the 2024 version of my original hydrangea and is now available in my merch shop. Ugh. Come on. I believe this is my Alocasia Black Velvet, and I know I already have one, but I don't think it made it. If you remember that in my Is It Dead video, I don't think that one made it. Doesn't look that happy right now. So this might be my new Black Velvet. Okay, next. And shout out to the Rare Houseplant subreddit for being like half shout out, half I hate you to the Rare Houseplant subreddit for showing me Orange Lake Nursery. Oh, this is my white wizard, philodendron. Oh, he is pretty dry. Oh, poor guy. Sorry. Get you some water. Ooh. Next. I went Alocasia crazy on this one, on this order. Oh. You might be my rehab. I got a philodendron. I always want to say Paradiso, but Paradiso without the D. I don't know, Verde rehab. And I think that's this. He looks pretty limp and, oh, there's some melt. We'll get you fixed up, buddy, don't worry. Next. Ah, this one I definitely know. This is my Alocasia zebrina. And I know it because of its stems. That one's very cool. 3 to go. Sorry, I have not exasperated with you. I'm exasperated with illness. Suffer from my plants. Even though the plants try and kill me with their bacteria, I won't stop loving them. This is my Syngonium milk confetti. Again, not a particularly rare plant, but I really like the way that they look when they're full. If you look back at my Hertz unboxing, I had a Syngonium neon pink robusta that is just like gangbusters right now. It's doing so well, and so that's why I was like, more Syngoniums please. I can clearly keep them alive. Damn it, maybe this is my silver dragon. Look, I just got a lot of alocasias, and again, I will correct whatever the hell I'm saying on the actual video during my edit, but this might be my silver dragon alocasia. They're so pretty. I love the sort of faded look to them. I know they become really cool silver later on. Okay, we're on to the last one, and then I can go back to bed. I think this is going to be my rubber tree. Yes, okay. This is my rubber tree Taneki, which you saw in my rubber plant video. I already have a rubber tree, but I have a burgundy one, so I wanted a Taneki. Here we go. Hello, gorgeous. There you go. That was my order from Orange Lake Nursery. I really wish they would have labeled them, but they delivered it super fast. I think I ordered it on Wednesday and I got it on Saturday. So can't complain about that. All right, let me get these guys situated and go back to bed. And if you want to see better times with me, check out this video, which is one of my favorites. I'll see you over there, and I will hopefully see you in a better health state later. Bye.